doctor said we deliver with operation. I said and also in the afternoon around 3. I said, can you deliver with operation? Tell her what to do. So she have delivered. That's why she called me now. No operation. It's a simple thing.
I'm the lion self, I'm the liquid matter. I'm in Taposki, Pahose. IKE Bukita, IKE trillion, IKE billion, IKE Jesus Christ.
Master! The generation belongs to the children of the Lord Almighty, and they say, go ye to the war, multiply. That is means IKE billion, be fruitful, replenish, dominate. That's why in Aipola, but that's just, do you see where the song comes from? IKE billion is the power that God has given to us so that we can rule the world, dominate, replenish, take over. So when you are hearing this song, your life is full of joy, and your life will be full of excited, full of empowerment. That is now, when you look at yourself, no matter what you are going through in life, just know that every problem of a child of God in Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 have a expiring date. So there is nothing can stop what God has prepared for you. That is why he call it IKE billion. It's not a song you'll be singing and crying that makes power come down. It's a song that giving you joy. And when joy is in you, joy brings energy. Joy brings strength. So as you're hearing this song, your life will be full of power. Your life will be full of energy. Your life will be full of restoration. Your life is full. I am going back to where God has set me to be. No matter how I fall, I will rise up again. That is who I am. I am in Daboski. I am a war. I'm a fight. I'm the liquid metal. The man of this end time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, ODUMEJE fair kwata go na wonke na bebe. If I bu ko yin chuku na nyene, ana pani go above na bebe.
That part is my best part.
Bandu meji, bandu Jesu, bandu Majidi, jandu keji Majisu, jima Jisu.
Lion himself. I'm walking. Bro, this one I hit.
Come on.
So no be just hit it. Now hit will be, Hitler. Hitler said
Hit Pro Max.
Major. Hit Pro Max, my guy. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, listen up.
The master.
I'm the lion self, I'm the liquid metal. I'm in Taposki, Pahose. IKE Bukita, IKE trillion, IKE Jesus Christ.
Yeah, ODUMEJE fair kwata go na wonke na bebe. If I bu ko yin chuku na nyene, ana pani go above na malaka. Amaelu tu. Otokasiaga. Okay, vam.